Oke teman-teman Car Audio Lovers, jadi sekarang gue mau ngerekamin hasil suara yang ada di mobil Hyundai Staria yang satu ini ya teman-teman Car Audio Lovers. Dan seperti yang tadi Ko Teddy udah jelaskan tentang perangkat dan lain-lain dan tentang sistemnya juga. Jadi gue mau ngerekamin hasil suara di passenger ya teman-teman Car Audio Lovers. Nah mungkin nanti metodenya akan gue buat seperti biasa. Metodenya seperti biasa, gue akan melakukan streaming musik lewat si head unitnya ya teman-teman Car Audio Lovers. Nah mungkin yang agak berbeda itu di sini nanti gue bakalan pindah-pindah posisi. Maksudnya itu jadi pada saat gue rekamin satu lagu mungkin gue akan pindah posisi dari sisi sebelah kiri terus sebelah kanan untuk biar teman-teman Car Audio Lovers juga bisa tahu bagaimana hasil suaranya di kedua sisi tersebut ya teman-teman. Oke, bagaimana hasil suaranya? Langsung aja gue rekamin hasil suaranya teman-teman. Jangan lupa gunakan headset ya.
I was afraid, I was petrified. I kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. And I grew strong, and I learned how to get along. And so you're back from outer space. I just walked in to find you here with that sad look upon your face. They should have changed that stupid lock. They should have made you leave your key. If I'd known for just 1 second you're back to bother me. Go on now, go. Walk out the door and just turn around now, because you're not welcome anymore. Or weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? Did you think I crumble? Did you think I lay down and die? Oh no, not I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I stay alive. I got all my life to live, I got all my love to give, and I'll survive. I will survive. Took all the strength I had not to fall apart. I kept trying hard to mend the pieces of my broken heart. I spent oh so many nights just feeling sorry for myself. I used to cry, but now I hold my head up high and you see me. Somebody new. I'm not that chained up little person still in love with you. And so you felt like dropping in and just expect me to be free. Now I'm saving all my love for someone who's loving me.
In my shoes, then you know how I feel. Walk a mile in my shoes for you to this man. If you walk in my shoes, you might understand. People always try to tell me what I ought to do. Some really want to help me. Lord, I know it's true. Everybody got an opinion. Better take some advice. It don't really make no difference. I got to live my own life. I'm a simple type of person. Oh, yeah. Don't need much in this old life. read my Bible, try to live my life right. I don't need nobody tell me what I ought to do. If you really want to help me, you take a walk in my shoes. Walk a mile in my shoes. Then you know how I feel. Walk a mile in my shoes. For you just this man. If you walk in my shoes, you might understand.
Listen, everybody knows the way. Everybody knows the answer for the question. I'm afraid that I gotta do what I gotta do, but if I let you go, where you gonna go? Oh, we gotta make a change, time to turn the page. Something isn't right, I don't wanna fight ya. We can touch up at times, you know it gets worse. We can turn this around, please let me be first. And as I feel your tears spilling on my shirt, something isn't right, I don't wanna fight ya. Hey you, come on, gonna let me embrace you. I know that I'm causing you pain too, but remember if you need to cry, I'm here to wipe your eyes. Tonight before you fall asleep, I'll run my thumb across your cheek. Cry, 'cause I'm here to wipe your eyes. I know I made you feel this way. You gotta breathe, we'll be okay. Cry, 'cause I'm here to wipe your eyes. Oh, 'cause I'm here to wipe your eyes. When did we cross the line? How could we forget? Why did we let the pressure get into our heads? Your broken heart requires all of my attention. 'Cause something isn't right, I don't wanna fight you. Hey you, come on, gonna let me embrace you. I know that I'm causing you pain too, but remember if you need to cry, I'm here to wipe your eyes. Tonight before you fall asleep, I'll run my thumb across your cheek. Cry, 'cause I'm here to wipe your eyes. I know I made you feel this way. You gotta breathe, we'll be okay. Cry, 'cause I'm here to wipe your eyes. Don't lose your faith. Don't worry, 'cause I'm here to keep you safe.
山茶花，你说它的家开满山茶花。每当那春天3月，香叶如土花， 村里姑娘上山采茶，歌声荡漾山坡下。年17，年纪18，偷偷在说悄悄话。羞答答，羞答答，梦里总是梦见他。希望总有一天把你摘回来，村里姑娘也会羡慕你像一朵花。年17，年纪18，偷偷在说悄悄话。羞答答，羞答答，梦里总是梦见他。
Drink until it did.